girl power.
Big up your Queenie.
Yeah.
Today I just want your viewers, your fans to know that we're going to take this interview on a whole different level. It's not about mix, it's not about comedy, it's not about that. We're talking about real life situations today. And I'm so happy because listen, you are grown. You are my senior. You're 50 something. 50 or
54 and a half.
You're 54 and a half years old. And I know that there's a lot of knowledge that you can share with us. And for that, that's the reason why I'm here for today. Because listen to me, you see, in COVID, you kept us entertained. Like, we cried with you, we laughed with you, we mourned with you. We did so many things throughout COVID with you.
True.
I saw you become an artist.
True.
Right? We've been through your marriage with you. We've been through every single thing with you. But I want everybody to see a different side of Queenie because, like, we know some of your flaws. Them you don't hide anything about your flaws. We have accepted you and loved you for who you are. Your fans, everybody. No, if you're not their cup of tea, then guess what? They're your coffee, or they're or a bottle of water.
True. Amen.
So I'm just taking this opportunity to talk about a real life situation because as a big woman, there's a lot that I can learn from you.
Yes.
As a young woman, there's a lot that I can learn from you. There's a lot that you can teach me. It's not the gimmicks and all of them stuff there, right? But why you have on them? Well, keep on the mask. I don't know. You have a flu? They're asking why you not take off the mask.
Yeah, man.
Warrior Queenie today.
Every day is different, my dear.
So you're back in England?
Yes, I am.
You're back in England?
Yeah, I've been in England a week and 2 days now.
Okay. So how was your Cayman Islands?
To Cayman? It was lovely, you know. It was a lovely experience. A little mini Jamaica. Big up Andrew. I went in here, Andrew famous. Yeah, man. It was a good. Them strict over there is a lot of us.
How comes?
Because when my work permit never ready, the permit never ready. So we went to the party same way. I said the next day one big immigration officer, come for we. We have to in one building with some quarter arm and so on. I said, Jesus Christ, God Almighty. We have to explain to them. Sorry. We have to explain to them if we did perform at the party.
So you
strict.
You didn't perform, you just made
I didn't. I just passed through the
Queenie, you're a big star, you know.
That's true.
When you have immigration come find you, you know, you're a big star, you know.
That's true, man.
So you're on a whole different level, you know.
Been through the valley of the shadow of death, that's true, man.
And because you're on a whole different level, we have to treat you as such.
Thank you. That was a long time you support me still, you know. I'm so appreciate your girl power.
Behind you and in front of you. And the real support is when you're not seen.
When I done what?
When you're not to the person, that's where the real support comes in.
Oh, yeah. True.
And talk up in front of your face, Queenie. People can say, oh, Queenie, you're the best. My love, you know. You're my biggest fan, you know. And when you walk up, yeah, what you move from? You know it go.
Yes.
So behind you, Mr. Listen to me. Queenie, come like on forget. When we did stress out and almost dead in a COVID. Couldn't help
with no crazy energy, man.
I and dog and some others kept us because we had to be isolated. And I choose when to go supermarket. Our kids, they're experiencing this for the first time. You were the person who kept us going. So for that, I will always rate you. Nobody can stand in front of me. Nobody. Not dear.
Thank you.
Auntie Queenie, the tell us to be adopted daughter.
I'm glad it's to God.
All right.
Amen.
They're ready for us now? So how is married life?
Give God thanks, because the greatest thing in life, you know, for the man come back, me see the power and the strength in the marriage. I just, we know, for read forward, we are go back on the drawing table and just maintain the procedure and the respect, you know. Because we've been treated, we come a long way, and the come my husband come back, that was a huge step, you know.
Somebody
So,
them know said do we do something. So if it make him know what him say, wanna send call me when do his segment start cause me know him do something. You know, say always people always just thinking about some negatives though.
don't mind them with them stupid self. It doesn't matter what him do. I'm a husband, and I stand by him and him a stand by me. And I think the world see that enough, because for the 6 months we've been separated, neither me nor him never know would have come back together, and we have to adore that and cherish that, because life is very short, you know, Latus. I
Mm-hmm.
put my husband on the plane to go to America Monday morning, and by Tuesday morning, me sick like dog, I almost lose my life. So you have to appreciate, like you have to forgive if you want to be forgiven. And that's my philosophy.
What I think it is too, I think you guys needed to go through that. Sometimes it has to fall apart before it comes together.
Yes,
Uh,
I think that.
10 brothers, 10 different minds. And basically, you didn't know him, he didn't know you. And then you guys got married pretty quickly. Lord, I don't want to talk about
Everything happened for a good reason. Yeah, my
it.
Latus.
Yeah.
Everything happened for a good
So
reason, darling.
when you go through all of that, and then you guys can mend it back together, it's going to be so difficult because you guys have been through everything. Like,
That's golden.
you guys have been through everything.
I still have more to go through,
It,
because life is a learning process every day. It doesn't matter what you've been through, how hard it is or how tough it is. You still, for every day, a problem not done in it. But when you're strong enough and can stand for what you believe, that's the magic key. Believe is a hell of a thing in a Latos.
mm-hmm.
It is.
I know that there's a lot of persons who basically thought that he wasn't somewhat good for you. They said it was because of the house. That's the reason why it's back. I'm just talking to you right now because I have to get on the radio station and they're interviewing someone, giving us some. I have to give them some time so we can get into the interview. But we'll just kill some time. We'll just start with someone.
Yeah.
There were a lot of persons thought that he came back for the house and all of them stuff there. For me personally, I think that both of you made mistakes. Like both
Amen.
one one in that the relationship was too public.
Thank
That was like the first.
you.
That was the first thing because whatever is happening in your relationship is supposed to be kept. It's like when you're supposed to form a little circle like this. Everything is kept here. Nobody else. Want to resolve everything right here. No third party, no
And you
fourth
see,
party.
Latos, you see, I'm marking right there. You know how I'm gonna say part, yeah? Me and some people make some talk like when them see my husband, but them got rude to him or whatever. And it's unfair in life, because the two away, none of we no better earn, no better borrow. The two away disgraceful as much as husband and wife, innit? So now we throw all of that in the bin, and some people want to build up spill milk. And so who want them to do, who are going to tell off do from who are going to do. But you know what? On the still that people
No,
merge back.
no. Hold on,
Question
Queenie.
about it on Babu Wanga.
Hold on, Queenie. No, Queenie. Your knees stay here. Your good knees stay here.
Okay,
I mean,
Nisi.
anytime I talk, you listen to me because I know say that come from
With it.
a real place, an authentic place, out of love. Now, here what happened. When we go public, we invite people.
I
So
know that.
the Instagram is like a platform where anybody can come and voice their opinions. Some people voice too much opinions, by the way. If yeah, right? So they come in there, voice their
No,
opinion.
and I wouldn't say so, but damn by too much opinion. I stick opinion on that, Latus. Seven brothers, seven different mind. A lot of people would like to voice a lot of opinion, but they does not have the courage. So everyone cannot be the same. Everyone cannot be silent and hold on things and just get buttered.
All
So
right.
that's why it made me unique as Queenie, because is a all up and when I scream out and loud and say instead of me stay under the carpet, I scream out. It's not everybody have that courage. So I would not say it that way.
And
Everybody
hold
can
on,
be
hold on, hold on.
silent.
And Antoinette, Queenie not holding back to curse me. I don't think you understand Queenie. Queenie and I have a very respectful relationship. Queenie knows that whatever I say, it is not coming from a place of ignorance.
No.
It is from a place because I care. That's a major difference. Whether I'm in front of her or I am behind her, I will lady, stop reading the comment. No, I have to read the comment. You have to get some people involved too. All right. So what I'm saying to you, let me think you kind of misunderstand me. Let me right. Some people, because the internet is easily accessible, they type anything that they want. So them just a type, right? And they have opinions on anything, whether the opinion has basis, whether it has a root, or whether it's just out of the spur of the moment somebody feels to say something, them say something, right? Yeah. Okay. Now, what happened with the relationship? I just want you to hear me out a little. And persons came in because it was open to them. It was open. Remember, the relationship supposed to be this, where nobody else. So what happened? It was this. So this finger come in, every finger start coming in, and I saw the relationship. So everybody have something to say. So when you and Dewey are basically getting to know each other, is the whole world I get to know you and Dewey, and everybody have something.
At the same time.
Exactly.
Everybody opinion drop in. Everybody have them 2 points.
So we don't get no time to really understand each other. That's why this did have to happen. So when it fall apart, when him go make a mistake, he made his mistake, because when he went over there and do what he have to do and feel like say whoops, and when you get mad and cuss and rare and you feel like whoops, and then when what happened, uno heart keep pulling you guys back together, because guess what go on, uno similar, uno like similar things. Do we I hear a little, do we know what to do? Do we wind up himself? Do we slap you up? Do we joke and run round with you?
That fun loving. We have that fun loving is about us. Yeah.
You nurture him. You do some little wally things we do it.
Yeah.
And you see
plum.
Exactly. Him see a mature woman now where I show him say, yo, babes, when we get money, and this we are gonna do. Probably him used to sex some butter ears girl then. See?
Yeah.
That them never used to bring certain knowledge to them. And you come in and you say, babes, make we get a car, make we get a house, make we do this, make we do all on, you know? Yeah. Make we do this, make we do that. And him see one different something. This another girl then when can just get $1,500. It's a woman him a deal with, so you know, say him have to take on the thing on a whole different level. Yeah. So when him someone say, yo, it's a woman this, you know, but guess what, one penis a jump up and down, so I say, yo.
Yeah, man, what if a challenge out the man? What if a temptation?
Yeah, so when them come no one, remember say no, you know, you go social media, the hype.
Everybody have that what do it? I want to create this stuff.
Yeah, running in DM.
Yeah, man, it's natural, man, standard.
Yeah, I said him some little picture and some little this and some little that, and sometime we will get here.
Natural, man thing.
Dean, remember I'm young.
Boy.
Yeah. Remember I'm young. So you mean young and the virgin them they run him and say, yo, I want.
Toes, all the one them did to la toes.
Yeah.
So you can't drive with a man who are 55 and 60. Watch the movements towards woman. No difference on the youngers then. All of them is the same.
Exactly. So him go through him fears. Sometimes people have to go through them fears. You can't. He that has not sinned cast the first stone. People go through them fears. Everybody have got through relationship issues. I just 2 year one up on the front line.
I know.
Me,
I know that.
Girl. Me no need to say nothing more though.
Let me tell you something, Latos. You see the go back, it did have to happen. It just make me and him stronger. We appreciate each other more because it was a tunnel, a dark, deep, wide tunnel, and God pulled it through it.
Yeah.
So we appreciate it and know, sir, what it more obstacle out there. Because if I have life problem, can't done. That me know.
Yeah, so only did have to go through the rough patch there. Because
Yeah.
never come back together, then you know say you're not meant to be.
True.
Mr. People who got through relationship for 20, 30 years, they think it was just easy like that. Come
I
on,
know.
guys. Oh, come on. Some things that some woman got through, some man got through. Your one just tip the surface.
And the popularity and the famousness of me, and then become outspoken and the craze and just everything that makes Queenie, really.
Why? She's not paying any young man to disrespect her. She likes a young man. The young man like her older woman. It's just like, oh, me the year, and my man are 60. We could talk about that, no? My man are 60, and me a younger woman. All right, so since, all right, me just play the devil's advocate, you know, because I'm a talk about you, Zin. So, okay, him is a younger man. She's an older woman. Him a 30 odd, she is 54. Me a 30 odd, my man a 60 odd. Him love young girl, me like bigger man. Me not like young boy. She like younger boy because the younger boy them have this
Put her the stamina and the drama.
well on
Listen, I fall for my husband before me even know some my husband have cocky. So people chat shit. I naturally love my husband for who him is.
Hold on, Queenie. No, me have to join them in the man.
No, the girl whosoever talk me, I tell darling.
All right, me go join the radio station now. Hold on. I'm gonna get on. Hello, guys.
Alright, so I'm gonna play Kamala's intro. Kamala have a nice little intro set up, so let me just drop her intro for her. Immediately, Kamala is in the building. So, you know, it is Kamala Latouche, and she is here in the UK.
Guys, so much. Want to big up everyone across the world at this point in time. I am tall and terrific, young and sexy Kamala Latouche. My very special guest today is none other than Queenie. She's filled with controversy. She's a recording artist. She's a host. She's a jackass of all trades, and she's here with me today, right? I need Big D to link up Queenie. Hold on a sec, Queenie.
Hello, Queen Wave. The Queen is here. All right, go now.
Phone that up on a while ago. The phone had the interview on.
No, she was on the phone. Someone is the man called me. I something out there.
No, Queenie, I am still here. I'm just trying to get the other number hooked up so you get connected to the radio station.
Okay.
Just give me 1 second.
Yeah. Shall load up. Latouche. Come on. Nice girl, Latouche, you know. She have a genuine soul. Bless her. Girl power, strength. Wi-Fi.
Okay, so we're just holding to get you connected, Queenie.
Yeah.
All right. lady gangs have ever kept no party and no nothing for that.
I did,
Big
you
B's
know,
asking,
but me
Big
just
B's
never
asking
advertised it.
if you didn't bring up any party.
I did, but I did not advertise it. I learned from my mistakes. I'm going to start hide my things them now.
All right, so I think you're online now, Queenie.
Yes, I am.
Okay, so let's do this one more time. So for all the persons that are listening across the world, this is Hot Topics. I am the host for Hot Topics, tall and terrific, young and sexy, Kamala Latif. I have with me Lady Gangster Queenie online. She is an entrepreneur, a recording artist, a host. She is the jackass of all trade, and she's here tonight. How are you doing, Queenie?
Fine, thank you. I'm so impressed. Hello, Latus. Hello, radio station. What the name again?
It is definitely a different type of interview, Queenie, because I remember recently you gave us a health scare in the sense of your fans, the fraternity, your family and well-wishers. We didn't know what was happening. I need to explain what happened to you.
To God be the glory. Great things He has done, you know?
We can hardly hear you.
You can't hear me?
Yeah, you have to remove the mask. We can hardly
All
hear you.
right, to God be the glory, great things He has done. And I can't hear me now?
Yes.
Okay. You hearing me clear, Instagram?
I'm hearing you.
Okay, yes.
Radio.
So down in the last of February, as you know, it's a leap year this 2024. Monday the 20th, I think at the 22nd, the 27th of February. I wake up Monday morning, put my husband on the plane to America, and then I was going to the UK in the following evening. Cut long story short, after putting him on the plane in the evening, me for go up on British Air. When we reach the airport now, Latus, my turn idiot confused me, not have my travel document. So I could board the flight, okay. Tomorrow morning when I wake up now, I feel one piece of belly ache on my belly button. This a Tuesday morning now. But through me things I iron and everything Jamaica people say gas. So I tell my mom say I have gas, mommy cook some ackee and saltfish. But I couldn't eat the ackee and saltfish. I take the ackee and saltfish and put it down same place on a event. Around 1 o'clock now, I say, boy, my belly hurt me. We take painkiller. We make Cersei tea, ginger tea, nothing Tuesday, nothing Wednesday, pain same way. Cut long story short. So through 3 my lucky number now. When I wake up Tuesday, man, I say, no, Yvette, I have to go doctor. This I get from bad to worse. So my mom can go over the doctor, private doctor. But Latus, God is amazing, because they thought it was appendix, because when him asked me what happened to me, I explained to him take him hand and him slap me right on my tummy. So the slap when him slap me, I scream out from town to Mobile. That's how long I scream. Ah! I'm a can't done screaming. So my mom run out of the room now, but she ran out of the room because she said the doctor right ruptured. But remember me that in a pain. Cut long story short, reach a public now. Mom says public are the best hospital in Jamaica, so I must go Kingston Public Hospital. But what happened in a Latos, when we go back in at the moment and time and calculate back, you see from the private doctor slap my belly is like it's like my zone out, Even though I know where I go, I barely can remember what happened. Anyway, reach a public now, them X-ray now, Carmen said, one of the doctors said, Queenie, I'm going to try save your life. Because, everybody was worried and the whole heap of excitement. Who want to come visit me? Even though I'm in the wheelchair, I'm still at the picture and a queen wave, but I'm so poorly. Anyway, so when the doctor said that, no, this is the devil, save what kind of life? I look against me, I not talk about save life. Because I don't know was that sick of a person in it. So what happened now? You listening? Silk Radios?
We're hearing everything. We're just allowing you to speak.
Okay. Yes. So no, Latus, how am I reach now? Yeah, so I'm going this is the Friday. So Saturday morning, them said them I go do the operation. So when I went in the theater, before I go in the theater, you know, I take videos and pictures with some of the staff, them and a nurse, doctor. Me so popular. God bless my Queenie. Anyway, strong in a man. So I'm going to the theater now and them say I have to take off my jewelry, them I answer. I start pray because I say, God, I don't know if I wake up back out of this, you know. And that was when I wake up now, I get one long 10-inch cut from underneath my titty root, go down to my private.
A 10-inch what?
Cut. So them have to open me up in it.
Yeah.
So from under my breast go right down to my private. But it's like
so what did they take out?
This is what I'm gonna explain now.
Yeah.
With all of the confusion and true me things say me only can have flu and gas.
And gas.
Yeah.
And pressure.
And blood pressure. When me come out now, them I explain to me, tell me say them I got admit me over to Jubilee Hospital, which is the other side of the public hospital, because a gynecologist doctors have to assist me to whatever happened. Now, what they're explaining to me when me not understand, may I tell my daughter, say them I care, I go Jubilee to do another surgery. But what happened, them opened me at public because they thought it was appendix. So when the appendix doctor who opened me for the appendix, when them go, them realize there's a cyst burst inside of me.
So a cyst burst inside of you?
Yeah, so the chooser man, when I was feeling the pain, it's a cyst, the cyst burst.
Where was the cyst? It was the cyst?
At my stomach. It may have been in my stomach for maybe long time.
So let me ask
when
what they had to remove the cyst?
Yes, and that's where I'm gonna get to know. So what happened? The cyst, because I never go doctor to choose the man when I start feel the pain. The cyst ruptured my right ovary, and then the infection ruptured now for the 3 days when I did one that ruptured, I make it way to my white blood cell and my red blood cell.
The infection.
So, thank you. So when them I look for appendix now and them cut me now after them X-ray or whatever, them realize that the cyst, so them have to call the gynecologist from Jubilee Hospital for operate for cut the cyst plus the ovary. So them have to cut out the ovary.
Oh my goodness, so your ovary's gone.
Yeah.
Gone. So if you thought that you could have another baby, you can't have no baby. You
can't have one ovary, yeah.
Mommy, mommy.
All food, no sir. Remember some girl talk girl never.
Put on back the mask and come live because everybody wants to see you. So just put on back the mask.
Why they want to see me though? They just have to listen. All the time they must see my man and get too much trouble.
Okay, so let me ask you this question.
Tell them some shit.
Let me ask you this question. They want to just put on the mask and come live. Let me ask you something. What are you doing differently in terms of taking care of your body? What are you doing differently?
Just the natural, the bush them, the whole heap of natural bush them, the merengue seed, all of the bitter sitting them, but them have a Jamaica kind of foolishness.
Natural juice? You cut out sodas?
Sometimes I cheat with the Coca-Cola, but...
No. Just cut it out. We don't... Nope, no more sodas. Like, cut it out. All right?
I cheat on the soda sometimes. I have cream. Remember, I got your menopause. Stick a one pin. It's not easy for you to say cut it out. You have to understand as well. With my age, there's a lot of craze. It's like when you have...
But, Queenie, listen, Queenie. Look at me.
I am.
Look at me good. Mama,
yes.
If you need to have a little soda, okay? Since you have to take your time, just the thing. Because of the grapefruit and that's the thing, right?
Okay.
Don't do anything else besides tea.
Just hear upon this.
I'm saying, a call was coming in. All I'm saying, just do thing, nothing else. Don't tell me, say boy, you want the what you call it, the acid, and you want to feel the acid, yeah, because sometimes you do have all of that. Queenie, just sting and take your time and come out of it fully. Queenie, listen, you gave us a health scare. You give yourself a health scare. Let me talk to you now about drinking and smoking. Have you cut down on that?
Let me tell you something now before you scared me off with the health scare. You see me, Latus? I eat natural from a little bit. I grow up country. I grow up on bush. You understand me?
Mm-hmm.
My father teach about bush, tree of life, Cersei bush, all of them things there. So me's a natural eater.
Yeah.
You see, my daughter will pass away. She was 33. Nobody eats healthy like her.
Yeah.
She read everything that she eat. So it's because me's a stubborn donkey, Latus.
You're not
I am
stubborn
very
today, though.
stubborn.
You're not stubborn today.
No, I'm telling you in general. I have to accept yourself for who you is in all, Latus. So I'm not going to make because me have a conversation but deny myself as who I am. I'm still going to express myself in it. So as a stubborn person where I grew up St. Thomas as a country girl here, I believe I done well in health and health eating. And that's a fact. So if me drink a buck of Coke or two for the day, I might not that.
No,
You understand me?
no, it's not minor. No, a bottle
Not a
of
big
Coke
deal that.
or no, Queenie. A bottle of Coke for the day or two, that's like madness. Like, no.
Coke and not a lot too. The amount
No.
of rubbish
Do
I
you
eat
know
I put in our
that?
body.
Do you know that Coke? I can send you so many videos of Coke can use as a cleaning product. All right, listen. Right now, Big D is telling me it's time. Hold on now. Big D is telling me it's time because I mean we started a bit late and I'm sorry for that because you were ready and I was a bit late. We have Joe coming up to talk about some fest. We have Fully Bad among other artists that are coming up and stuff. So I'm just gonna say to you, I'm gonna ask you this one question. If you had to go back where it comes on to your relationship, private or public, what would you choose?
Private.
Private. And any advice you would give like a younger you or younger girls that are looking up to you, give them a word of advice. So I mean, make it very quick.
Be in yourself for whatever you have on is because you cannot stop what you're not in control. Because everybody wants good for them life, don't it?
Mm-hmm.
So if it turn out to a different chapter, accept it. That's all me can say. Because nobody life can be as way them plan it.
Mm-hmm.
Life is just life. You just have to accept the disappointment and the disagreement and be strong.
All right. Let people know where they can find you, your new music and all of that.
Queen Lady Gangster, one queen in a day. My last release music is Reunited with me and my husband. From about Queen Lady Gangster, you find me on every necessary platform. Because I know the crazy queen. Sting, me and Latus there, so I can't miss my queen.
Thank you so much.
Silk Radius, thank you.
Thank you so much for being a part of the Hot Topics. You took over the Hot Topics entirely.
Yes, sir, Big D. Yes, I did.
I'm going to ask you to save this live. Can you save the live?
I will do.
Can you save it before we go? Because I'm about to get out of here because we got to continue on Silk Radio. Thank you guys so much for joining us. Tall and terrific, young and sexy. I am Kamala Latouche. Follow me on Instagram. Take it away. Yeah. Mighty.
Blessed be thy name. Nice girl. All right, Kamala later.
You have to save the life.
Big up yourself, D.